Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. New syllabus Mathematics D1 Chapter number 11 Triangle, Quadrilateral and Polygon. Exercise 11A. Question number 3. In question number 3, we can find the value of unknown in each of the following figures. Here, part A to F, given figures are given and we can find the unknown angle. So we can start that question number 3, find the value of unknown in each of the following figures. First figure, we can see that here first angle is a right angle. Other angle is 39 degree and unknown angle is 8 degree. In this part, we can find the unknown angle 8 degree. So, we know that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Let us suppose that third angle will be 8 degree. We have 8 degree plus 90 degree plus 39 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now added 90 plus 39, we can write that 8 degree plus 129 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then 8 degree is equal to 180 minus 120 degree. Now the value of unknown angle is 51 degree. So A is equal to 51 degree. Let's move second part. In second diagram, part B, here given figure are 2B degree and 68 degree and third angle is 64 degree. We can find the unknown value of B degree. So we know that the sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. Let us suppose that third angle will be B degree. We have 2B degree plus 64 degree plus 68 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now we will edit 64 plus 68, then we can write that 2B degree plus 132 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then we have 2B degree is equal to 180 degree minus 132 degree. 2B degree is equal to 180 minus 32 is equal to 48 degree. Then we can write that 2B degree is equal to 48 degree. Here 2 is multiplying, on other side 2 is divided. Now we can write that B degree is equal to 48 degree divided by 2 degree. The final answer of unknown B degree is equal to 24 degree. Let's move third part. In third diagram, we can see that 3C degree and 4C degree and fourth angle is 40 degree. Here the value we can find the unknown is C degree. So we know that the sum of the triangles of the triangle is 180 degree. Let us suppose that the third angle will be C degree. We have 3C degree plus 4C degree plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. We can add 3C plus 4C, it will be equal to 7C. Now we can write that 7C degree plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. 7C degree is equal to 180 minus 40. We can write that 7C is equal to 140. 7 is multiplied, on the other side 7 will be divided. Now C degree is equal to 140 degree divided by 7 degree. The final answer is C degree is equal to 20 degree. Next, move on other part. In next figure, we can see that the unknown value of the angle is D degree. Here we can see that 4D degree other angle is 3D degree, and third angle is D degree. Now we can find the unknown value of D degree. We know that sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Let us suppose that third angle will be D degree. Then we have D degree plus 3D degree plus 4D degree is equal to 180 degree. The sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. Now we added the three angles. D degree plus 3D degree plus 4D degree is equal to 180. 1 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 8 degree. Now we can write that 8D degree is equal to 180 degree. 8 is multiplying this side, on other side it will be divided. So D degree is equal to 180 divided by 8. The final answer of D degree is equal to 45 degree divided by 2 degree. So we will see in other diagram. In this diagram, we can see that the unknown value is E degree. Here, first angle is E degree, other angle is 62, and third angle is equivalent angle of 62. This sign shows that both angles are equal. So 62 plus 62 plus E degree is equal to 180 degree. Now we can solve that sum of the angles of triangle is 180 degree. So let us suppose that the third angle will be E degree, then we can write that E degree plus 62 plus 62 is equal to 180. Now we will add it 62 plus 62. The answer will become E degree plus 124 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then we can write that E degree is equal to 180 minus 124. The final answer of unknown value of E degree is equal to 56 degree. Next, we can see that in other diagram, here we can find the unknown values. We can see first two sides are equal. We can know that when two sides are equal, then two angles are also equal. So the connecting angles are also equal. But in this diagram, three sides are same, and we can find the unknown value. Unknown value of angle is f degree. So each angle is f degree. We can write that f degree and f degree. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Let us suppose that the third angle is f degree. So we can write that f degree plus f degree plus f degree is equal to 180 degree. Now we add 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So we can write that 3f degree is equal to 180 degree. Now we can write that f degree is equal to 180 divided by 3. The final answer of f degree is equal to 60 degree. So each angle in this diagram is 60 degree. Thank you. In next question, in next lecture. Allah Hafiz.